Welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages in Instagram in a fast way. So open up the Instagram app, then go to the profile on your right side, go to the three lines in the top right, go to account center, go down to your information and permission, download your information, download transfer information, choose your account you want the messages from, go to next, select some of your information. You only want the messages, right? So scroll down and tick the box with messages. And then go to next, download to device, for example, or if you want to a destination. And then also you can here select a date range. For example, if you only want them from last month, just last month, or the last 3 years, you can change the date range here. And then press create files. It will create a file. It will probably not take that long, I think around 20 minutes, and then you will have it and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to help me out, and see you next time. Bye.